In a vibrant neighborhood filled with chirping crickets and the sweet scent of blooming lilacs, there stood a magnificent treehouse perched high in an ancient oak tree. This treehouse, with its sunbeam yellow walls and a purple roof dotted with twinkling fairy lights, belonged to a lively young adventurer named Maximo Windwhistle. Max had tousled copper hair and an insatiable curiosity that made his bright green eyes sparkle with excitement. One sunny afternoon, as Max was rummaging through the treasures of his treehouse, he stumbled upon an old, shimmering compass. It was unlike any compass he'd seen before. It glittered like stardust and seemed to hum a gentle melody. Intrigued, Max held it close and noticed that the needle danced wildly, pointing toward the winding path that led to the park below. "Adventure awaits," Max declared, his heart racing with anticipation. He grabbed a fluffy blue backpack, stuffed it with his favorite snacks, honeycombs and marshmallows, and dashed out of the treehouse, feeling the warm sunlight embrace him like a friendly hug. As he reached the park, Max followed the enchanted compass, which twinkled like the most mesmerizing star in the sky. The compass led him through a bushy thicket, adorned with soft, velvety leaves and beautiful blossoms that smelled of fresh lemonade. Just when Max thought he had wandered too far, he discovered something remarkable. A hidden path overflowing with colorful daisies that danced in the gentle breeze. Excitedly, he hopped down the hidden path, the rich earth beneath his shoes squishing softly and releasing the delightful aroma of moist soil. To his surprise, the path led him to a small, sparkling pond. The water shimmered like 1,000 diamonds, and around its edges were croaking frogs, their voices harmonizing in a froggy chorus. Beautiful pink and yellow flowers leaned over the water, as if to catch a glimpse of their reflections. Max knelt by the pond, mesmerized by the vibrant scene. Suddenly, the compass gave a gentle pulse, and a curious frog, wearing a tiny crown, hopped onto a nearby lily pad. "Hello there, Maximo. I'm King Ribbit, guardian of the hidden path. You've discovered the secret treasure of nature. Keep this place safe and share its magic." Max's heart swelled with joy. "I promise to protect it, Your Majesty," he exclaimed, feeling a sense of responsibility wash over him. After a delightful afternoon of hopping with King Ribbit and exploring the colorful wonders, it was time for Max to head home. He thanked the frogs and waved goodbye, his heart light with adventure and friendship. As he climbed back into his treehouse, with a cozy blanket wrapped around him, Max snuggled into his bed, dreaming of hidden paths, sparkling ponds, and frogs in crowns. And thus, with the gentle sighs of the evening breeze, Max fell into a peaceful slumber, ready for the adventures that awaited him in his dreams.